what is happening, sir? In Amravati, they have called tenders for 55,000 crores, sir. I will tell you an example. Per SFT cost for more than 1 crore SFT they have called. Per SFT is 12,000 plus. How can Delhi, the government is doing it, the government here in central government is doing for 4,000 and the same building, same thing with cheaper material they are doing for 12,000 rupees plus. 8,000 rupees is the difference per SFT. It's the highest in the country, sir. It is loot of public money, sir. You see, sir, 1 crore is more than 1 crore SFT. If you're spending 8,000 extra, where is this money going? That is why Mr. Ramesh is shouting, sir. He never opened his mouth for BJP. He is coming here for the contracts, sir. That is why he abused us. Sir, one more thing.
Please,
Sir,
please.
sir,
That will be
I
on.
would like to,
That will not be on record.
sir, I would like to,
Midun ji, please. Ramesh, आप बैठे. Please. आप बैठे ना. Please don't make any personal allegation against the members. That will not be on record. No. That is not fair. That is you can criticize the government. You can criticize the government. Not make any allegation against the members. That is not good. That will not be on the record. Please withdraw the comment. Please withdraw the comment. Yeah, that's why. Already the chair has observed. That is not fair on the part of a member making a personal allegation against a member. You can criticize the government, but this is unfortunate. Please withdraw the comment, please.
sir,
That will not be on record. That will not be on record.
sir, what?
No, need not.
Sir, if you think I have made a personal record and it needs to be removed from the records, a personal remark and it needs to be removed from the records, though it is the truth, I
No,
totally
please.
go with the chair, sir. I totally go with the chair.
Yes.